નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, today we will study about the introduction of chapter number 2, standard 10, polynomials. So in standard 9 you have studied the basics of polynomials. So here now we know that what is a polynomial. So polynomial is an expression, right? So the basic concepts of expression and equation, that should be clear in your mind. Okay, so let's see what is expression. Expression is to tell something or to express some quantity. Like we want to express one quantity like this, 3x square minus 4. Here the variable is x, and that is why we can represent it as p of x. P is for polynomial, and as x is a variable, that is why it is written as p of x is equals to 3x square minus 4. So as we change the value of variable x here, the right hand side value is also changed. So for different value of x, we can get different value at right hand side. Okay, so what is equation? Suppose here 2x minus 4 is equals to 0. This expression is fixed to a value. Okay, so what if we get the solution here? We get the value of x variable, only one value. Okay, so here we get only one value of variable, and here by changing the value of this variable we get the different value to the right hand side, right? That is why it is called an expression, and that is an equation. This is the basic difference between these two things. Okay, some another example of variable polynomial is p of a is equals to 3a cube minus 1 by 2a square plus root 25a minus 6. So we can see here that the value of the variable power is continuously decreasing. Here 3, here 2, 1 and 0. And this 3 is a coefficient of a cube, minus 1 by 2 is a coefficient of a square, plus root 5 is a coefficient of a, and 6 is a constant. So we can see here that the coefficients of variable is either a rational number or irrational number. Okay, it should be any of the real number. So two things that are important for the polynomial is degree of a polynomial and zero of a polynomial, right? So what is the degree of a polynomial? Degree of a polynomial is the highest power of the variable. Like in this polynomial, maximum power of variable x is 2. That is why the degree of this polynomial is 2. Here in this polynomial the degree is 3 because the highest power of variable a is 3, right? Second thing is zero of a polynomial. So how to find the zero of a polynomial? Suppose there is an polynomial p of x is equals to x minus 2. So to find out the zero, we have to take p of x is equals to 0. This side we have to take as 0. Okay, so by putting here 0, what we will get? X minus 2 is equals to 0. By taking to the right hand side, we will get x is equals to 2. What is the meaning of 0? Meaning of 0 means by putting this value of x in the polynomial, this all values should be 0. Okay, so these two things are very important for this chapter. Now, based on the degree, there are three types of polynomials. One is linear polynomial. So the standard form of the linear polynomial is p of x is equals to ax plus b. See here, the power of variable x is only 1. That is why it is called a linear polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Second one is quadratic polynomial. Standard form of this polynomial is p of x is equals to ax square plus bx plus c. Maximum power here of variable x is 2. Third type is of cubic polynomial. Standard form is p of x is equals to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, and the highest power is 3. Okay. So now 0. If we talk about the 0, then as the maximum power of variable in linear is 1, the maximum root or 0 we can get is 1. In quadratic polynomial, maximum power is 2. That is why the number of 0 is maximum 2. We cannot get 30 for the quadratic polynomial. In the same way, if we talk about the 0 of cubic polynomial, we can get maximum 3 zeros, right? So this is the all about the introduction of this chapter number 2. Thank you. Thank you for joining us.